Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to part your hair properly with a comb. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a comb, and yes, I am bald. I do not have any hair on my head, but I do have my dear old friend over here. Let me just get her out. Miss Sandra, this is my assistant over here, okay? So I'm going to show you how to part hair using a comb. Really easy to do. It is honestly so simple for the most part. So there are basically two things. You want to firstly get the majority of the hair in place, and then secondly, number two, is to just get the few stragglers in place that might be not in the right portions, okay? Not on the right sides of the hair. So obviously you're going to figure out where your part is. You have sort of like a natural part in your hair. You're going to want to figure out what that is. This is a mannequin, so there's no natural part here, so I'm just going to imagine it's basically down the center. Now, number one, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the comb, and as a whole, using all of the tines of the comb, we're going to separate the hair one side to the other. So I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to separate this side and then the other side, okay? This side and then the other side, just like that, okay? Just like that. Whoa, Sandra, you got a nice part there. Anyways, obviously, we're just going to assume that that's where her part is over there. Okay, obviously, I would do it in the middle if I was in a real life scenario, but I can barely see on top of the head where I am right now. I'm doing this in my vehicle, okay? So just bear with me. But you're going to figure where your part is. Let's assume that that's her part. So I've already done step one, which is largely separate the hair into parts using the comb as a whole, okay? So as you can see right here, we're using the comb as a whole, and we've separated the majority into parts already, okay? So we've parted her hair already like that. Now, number two, the second part is you're going to see if there's any hairs that are out of place. I can see there's a couple over here that should be on that side. So they're on this side, they should be on that side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take just the tines of the comb that are just along the edge. So on either side, whatever side you need to use, just the last couple of tines of the comb. Not the whole, but just the last couple right along the edge right here, these ones. And I'm going to take those ones, and I'm going to take those couple of hairs that are on this side that should be on that other side, and I'm going to move them over using just those tines, just like that, okay? So take a look over here. I'm grabbing those couple of hairs that need to be moved like this, and I'm bringing them to the other side, just like that, okay? Let's say there were some on this side that needed to come on this side over here. I would do the same thing with the other tines on the other side. Just the last couple of tines of the comb, I'm going to grab the hair and just bring it over just like that, okay? That's it. Now, obviously, I ruined it by doing that because the part was basically almost perfect, but basically that's the idea, is that if you do, and in real life scenarios with real hair, you're going to get some hairs that end up on the wrong side. Because this is like a mannequin head, I could just go like this, and it's basically just going to end up being a perfect part, okay, for the most part. Actually, you know what? So look, here's a perfect example. It's not a perfect part because there's actually some hair right over here, right where my finger is, that is in the wrong spot. So I'm going to take just those hairs, literally just those hairs, look, just like that. Just those hairs, and move them to the other side. That's how you do it in reality, and you end up with basically a perfect part, okay? Yeah, so there's actually some more over here. So I would take just these hairs over here with just the tines of the comb, just a few tines of the comb, and bring them over like that, okay? And then you can just comb it down nicely again with the comb as a whole. But that's basically it. Essentially, there are two steps. Step one, there's actually three, and I'll go over the third one, but it's really, two is the majority of the steps. The third one is kind of like an optional step. So we'll go over all three. Step one is to take the comb and use the whole comb to create your majority of your parting that will be done. Okay? Step two is to take just the edges of the comb and take just those few tines on the edge and fix any hair that needs to be moved to the other correct side. Step three is once all of the hair is on the correct side, just use the whole comb again and just comb it nicely so the part is nice and separated properly. And that's it. It's literally that simple. You can get a nice part. Look at Sandra, eh? You're styling, girl. I love it, man. I love it. Anyways, all joking aside, I'm not crazy and I'm not talking to a mannequin for real. This is just for entertainment, just so you know. Okay? But yeah, that's okay. It's all good. Yeah, I told them. I'm just joking. Anyways, I truly hope that you found this video educational and entertaining at the same time. That's my goal when I make content, is to make it educational, but also at the same time, you know, my personality, bring out the entertainment in that content. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that this video tutorial. And yeah, I truly have nothing else to say, so we're going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.